Okay, everybody, it's Neil, and I have a Tesla. But what happens when you're out somewhere else and you need to charge it with one of these weird-looking J1772 plugs? Well, thankfully, I have one of these. This is the J1772 to Tesla adapter. And watch me try to open this thing up. Oh, actually, this one I opened up pretty easy because I just ripped that box to shreds. And look at what you get in there. You get a little card with the instruction that basically says plug it into one side and then plug it into your car. So it's the easiest thing to use. It's just a little adapter. See, it plugs onto that. Now I can charge my Tesla. See, it looks like a Tesla adapter. I can charge my Tesla with the J1772. Y'all can't see it, but I did plug it into the car. Oh, here we go. I'm going to show you. So here we go. You can see there, and you can push that button to make it stop charging, and you can pull it out, or I'm sitting here trying to do it one-handed because I'm holding the phone, but normally it's not that difficult. But you can see now I have it in two separate pieces again. But there you go. Just plug it in, super easy. Can charge the car with this. And so it makes it great when you're at those destination chargers or hotels or shopping malls or any of the other places. They seem to only have that one weird connector to it, especially all those freebie ones everywhere, which are nice. And they charge, it'll charge like up to 48, I think, amps. So it's almost as good as the Tesla one. So you get a really good speed on it. So it's really awesome. And that's what it looks like there. And it did work and seems to be great. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I did already. So I love it. So be sure to pick one of these up if you want one, because they are great.